One of the easiest devices to mount is the flood and temperature sensor. This has two little prongs on the bottom of it, and it's looking for water or moisture. So a good location would be in a laundry room area, and all you have to do is just find a dry spot and just lay it right on the floor, and it's all completely installed and ready to go. The benefit of this, besides the water sensing, it also gives you a high temperature rating and a low temperature rating. So if the temperature drops down to 40 degrees, I can send out an alert to you that there's a possible problem. If it goes to 90 degrees, it'd be the same thing. I can send you a text message or an alert that you have a potential problem. So the next thing we're going to do is going into testing all the equipment, and basically we're going to arm the system and notify Rampart that it's time for testing.